So guys, let's talk about how you can use your iPhone camera, like a $2,000 camera and like a $5,000 camera. So basically, this is the thing. Most people don't know that the iPhone camera can shoot video the same way your $2,000 camera or any big IP camera in the market. So the thing is, it's all about the settings and about turning on some things, and also the lighting, because this video right here was shot on an iPhone 16. And it's not even a 16 Pro whereby, or a 17 Pro whereby you can get some nice extended features like the Apple ProRes and the other features, because this is just a normal 16 and I was still able to come out with a crispy and clear video like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys the settings you need to know, but make sure you stay to the end of this video and you're going to know everything you need to know about how you can shoot a cinematic video with your iPhone camera. It doesn't matter what iPhone you're using. If you're using an iPhone 8, an iPhone X, an iPhone 11, iPhone 12, it's still the same thing. So let's dive into that.
Yeah, okay guys, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go into your settings. So when you get into your settings, you want to scroll all the way to camera. So when you get to camera, you click on the record video, and if you want to shoot a 4K at 30 FPS, that is basically for high resolution videos. If you want to shoot for cinematic, you're going to have to click on the 4K at 24 FPS, and the 4K at 60 is for slow videos. So you want to make sure your HDR video high efficiency is always turned on too, because that gives you much more efficiency video shot, and it is very good for cinematic. And yeah, that's basically everything on this part. So you can also scroll down, you can check the auto FPS. 30 and 60 is good. So you want to go back, and yeah, so when you go back, you're going to click on the format, and you want to make sure it is always on high efficiency, not most compatible. So you want to click the high efficiency and make sure that one is selected. And when you go to the photo mode, you want to make sure your photo mode is always at 24 megapixels, because that gives you much more detailed shots. And you want to make sure the grid is also on, because it gives you an accurate shot and it lets you know the perfect angle you are shooting or you're taking a picture at. And for the cinematic shoots, so the iPhone camera naturally gives you a brighter field of view, so you want to reduce the exposure by clicking the plus and minus, and you want to use like a minus 0.7 or a minus 1.0 if it is too bright, and then you'll get the detailed and crispy cinematic shoot. And also you want to make sure you use the grid lines. Like I said earlier, you want to make sure it's turned on, because if you take it with a broken line, that won't be good. So you want to make sure you are taking your video with the yellow line showing, so that will give you a detailed and very good shot. So that's basically everything here.
Yes, so guys, that is everything, and make sure you try them out when you want to shoot a video the next time, and let me know let me know how it worked out for you. And the most important thing about making the video is the lighting. No matter where you're shooting a video, make sure you have a light around you, because the lighting changes everything. I'm going to be showing you this same video but without my light being turned on. And yeah, that was the video without the lighting turned on, and this is the video with me turning on the light. So yeah, make sure you try it out and let me know what you think about this video, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post any videos. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.